Who wants to open the presents?
I do.
Okay. These are from Grandma Mickey. Ryder, these are your presents, and Lukey, Grandma Mickey got you one too.
This is mine.
That was pretty nice, wasn't it?
That's mine. Mom, what does this say?
To Luke from Grandma Mickey, I love you and miss you.
I miss you too, Grandma Mickey.
Tell it in the camera. Say it. No, say it in the cameras.
Hey, this is my favorite.
Say what you just said to me, to the camera. I miss you too.
I miss you too, Grandma Mickey.
Hey, good job. Ooh, what's that?
Race car.
Yeah.
Dad, look at that go.
Ooh.
Hey, Mom.
Whoa, rocket ship.
Hey, Mom, look at I got.
Holy moly. What is it?
I don't know.
Police headquarters for your Matchbox car.
Yeah!
Woohoo! Awesome.
Can you open it?
Yeah, let's finish opening these up. What'd you get here?
I don't know. I'll help. You're right.
I think these are closed.
Those are fun too.
Oh, I know. They're my best part.
Oh!
What's that?
I don't know.
Ooh, a wooden race car.
Yeah!
Awesome. He's very cool.
Yeah.
Do you like that, Ryder?
Yeah, can I open another present? Hey, there's one. Open this one.
Go for it.
No.
Right here. Can you do it? What'd you get?
This.
Oh.
New shirt.
Yeah.
Jammies.
Oh, shorts and a t-shirt. Oh, right. Look at that race car.
Let me see.
That's very cool.
Can I open this one first?
Gonna wear. Oh, those are so cute.
Yeah. Mom, that's my favorite number.
25.
Yeah. Over here.
What you got in there, bud?
What's that? I don't
Here,
know.
try right there.
One Ryder. What it is?
I don't know. You gotta keep looking.
This.
Whoa.
Yeah. What is it?
I don't know. Cars.
Oh, race cars and trucks.
Look at your swim shirt for Florida, Rai.
Cool.
Wearing them when you're swimming.
And my shark.
Ryder, can you look at me? Say thank you, Grandma Mickey.
Thank you, Grandma Mickey.
Say I love you. I miss
I
you.
miss you. I love you.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Grandma.